In 2014, Apple began working on Project Titan with upwards of 1,000 car experts and engineers developing an electric vehicle at a secret location near its California headquarters. Hey guys, welcome back to The Luxury, and in today's video we're gonna talk about Apple's secret car project and everything you need to know about it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and now let's get on with the video. Over the course of the last several years, internal strife, leadership issues, and other problems impacted the car project, and 2016 rumors even suggested Apple shelved plans for a car. But the most recent information indicates Apple has overcome development problems and is moving forward with plans to develop a consumer-facing autonomous vehicle. The Apple car project has seen multiple leadership changes and hundreds of employees have been laid off during the course, but it is now under the leadership of John Giannandrea, Apple's AI and machine learning chief, who took over the reins from Bob Mansfield after Mansfield retired in 2020. In December 2020, it was confirmed that Apple is indeed still working to launch a car, and right now plans to release a vehicle in 3 to 6 years. Reuters has said Apple is aiming for 2024, but Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes a car won't launch until 2025 to 2027 at the earliest. Apple will work with a manufacturing partner to produce the vehicles, and the company is developing next-level battery technology to extend range and efficiency. Apple has held discussions with Hyundai and other automobile manufacturers and thought there were rumors that Apple and Hyundai would ink a deal by March with an aim to start production in 2024. It may take longer for Apple to find a manufacturing partner. Apple's car team is said to be aiming to create a self-driving vehicle that would let a user input their destination and be driven there with little or no other engagement. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes the car will be Apple's next star product, with Apple able to offer better integration of hardware, software and services than potential competitors in the automotive market, with Apple-designed chips manufactured by TSMC. An analyst suggests the chip could be called the C1 and could perhaps be based on the A12 Bionic processor. Kuo has said that Apple's initial vehicle chassis could be based on Hyundai's EGMP electric vehicle platform. The Apple car is likely to be marketed as a very high-end model or significantly higher than a standard electric vehicle. In June of 2017, Apple CEO Tim Cook spoke publicly about Apple's work on autonomous driving software, confirming the company's work in a rare candid moment. Apple doesn't often share details on what it's working on, but when it comes to the car software, it's harder to keep quiet because of regulations. Tim says, "We're focusing on autonomous systems. It's a core technology that we view as very important. We sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. It's probably one of the most difficult AI projects actually to work on." Since early 2017, Apple has been testing self-driving vehicles on public roads in California using several 2015 Lexus RX 450h SUVs leased from Hertz. The SUVs have been spotted on the streets of California. Host of sensors and cameras as Apple prepares its self-driving software, and testing has ramped up over the years. Apple has held talks with 4 suppliers of LiDAR sensors that are smaller, more affordable, and more easily mass-produced than current LiDAR systems, which are too bulky and expensive for use in mass-produced vehicles. Apple is aiming for a revolutionary design that could potentially be used in future autonomous vehicles. Apple has several teams working on different aspects of the autonomous driving software that's in the works. In Canada, a team made up of 24 former BlackBerry QNX customers are helping to develop the base operating system, while another team works on developing the software that will run on it, such as heads-up display and self-driving capabilities. Apple is also working on a self-driving shuttle service called PALE, an acronym for Palo Alto to Infinite Loop. The shuttle program will transport employees between Apple's office in Silicon Valley. Apple is partnering with Volkswagen and will be installing its self-driving software in Volkswagen T6 Transporter vans to serve as an employee shuttle. We still have years to go before an Apple car is ready to debut, and we'll likely hear much more about the project as Apple will need to seek deals with a whole new set of supply chain partners in order to manufacture a vehicle. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.